Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to season and marinate this turkey breast. So I just bought a turkey breast from the grocery store. And so we're gonna go ahead and make our own like deli or turkey meat for a sandwich, because we're gonna be doing our jerk turkey club. And I don't really do deli meat because it's not good for you, you know, so I went and got me a turkey breast, and I got the bone in it because anything with bone, that's better for you. The flavor's better, collagen, it's just better than even when you have like boneless type of meat. So, of course, we're gonna take it off the bone and we're just gonna use that for the sandwich. But let's get started and let's get ready to go ahead and season this turkey breast. So, we're using the DivineKuizine jerk seasoning, jerk rub for this chicken, for this turkey. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the jerk seasoning and some butter, because we're gonna go ahead and, you know, massage that in or splatter that in on this turkey breast. So I have some softened butter here. So we're gonna take some softened butter. I think that should be about enough. And don't worry, I will always have the measurements on my website at DivineKuizine.com. And then we're gonna take some of our DivineKuizine jerk rub, jerk seasoning, and we're gonna probably take about 3 tablespoons of that, or teaspoons rather. And I have a fork here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, mash it together. It's softened, but just kind of like incorporate the butter and the jerk seasoning at the same time. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. And this is like the same thing that you would do like when you have a turkey, you know how like you know, what do you call it? Massage it or put it on the turkey. So it's kind of the same concept here. I guess it could have been a little more softened. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side, and I'll put some more on there, but this will help it be juicy, you know, with the butter, some of the seasoning from the jerk rub on there. So it's another way you can use one of my products, you know what I'm saying? Which you could go home and make your own jerk turkey sandwiches. Well, this is gonna be a turkey club sandwich actually. Okay, so let's get ready to season. So I have some green seasoning here, and I make that myself, but you can get that off our website, the recipe. I have some pepper. Let me put a little dirt here. Pepper. We have some salt. Complete seasoning. We have some garlic powder, and we have some onion powder. And then I'm gonna put my gloves on for this part, because we're gonna take that butter and jerks rub together and put that slather that all over this turkey breast. Dish, put the turkey breast in here. With that butter, some of it on top, get as much as you can. Some of it kind of stuck on my hands a little bit, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and put a little more. I'm gonna take these off, put a little more of the jerk rub on there. Just slather a little more on there. I'm gonna cover it and put it in the oven, and I'm gonna okay, it looks like so. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this at 325 for about 30 minutes, and then I'll check it. And it may have to go for an hour, hour and a half. We'll just see how everything cooks out. But the first 30 minutes, I'm gonna cover it, and then I'll take it off, and I'll let the last 15 to 30 minutes let it brown.
Okay, so we're getting ready to put some sugar spice, candied bacon. This is beef bacon, y'all, on it.
So the jerk turkey is done for this turkey club sandwich. It's been resting for a while, so now I'm gonna go ahead and slice it real thin for our sandwich. I cheated and I tasted a little bit of it, and it tasted really, really good. So I'm excited about this sandwich. It looks good, it smells good. Okay, let's get ready to build this sandwich. So we've toasted our bread with some of the herb butter I had. I'll have the ingredients for that. And then for our dressing, we're gonna use the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. So we've used two of my products. We used the jerk rub, and now we're using, well, we used three actually today. We've used the sugar spice for the candied bacon. We've used the jerk rub for the turkey. Now we're using the DivineKuizine remoulade for our dressing. Lettuce on top. We have some sliced tomatoes here. We're gonna take some of our turkey, jerk turkey we made. I'm gonna put that on top, like so. Then we're gonna take our next piece of bread. So we're gonna put some more remoulade sauce. And we're gonna take our lettuce, some more of our tomatoes, the rest of our tomatoes. We have some onions, red onions. I have our beef bacon that we caramelized with the DivineKuizine sugar spice. So we're gonna put that on here. I'm gonna have to break this one up a little bit to fit on there good. We're gonna put some more turkey, some more jerk turkey on top. Just a few pieces, just a little bit. Some cheese. So I have Havarti cheese and Colby cheese. Put that on top like so. And then our last piece of bread, we'll put some more DivineKuizine remoulade sauce on top. Put this on top. It's a big sandwich, y'all. Ooh. So now I'm gonna go in and cut it. Hey y'all, so let's go ahead and review this jerk turkey club sandwich. I'm excited, and like I said, we use all DivineKuizine's products. We use the DivineKuizine and jerk seasoning. We had for the turkey, make your own turkey for your turkey sandwiches. We use the DivineKuizine sugar spice for candying our beef bacon. And for our mayo, we use the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. So pick which one you want to use. Okay, so let's go in and taste. It's a big sandwich, so I'm gonna cut it again. Taste. It's good. Hands down, the perfect sandwich. Not too heavy, just the right of lightness, crispiness. All you need is like maybe some fries, some chips, or you can just eat it like this, a side salad, whatever you want to do. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. Go on the DivineKuizine website and get this recipe. Love y'all, Shay.